The consumer website Which has warned Brits of copycat adverts running on search engines such as Google or Bing. Brits are being misled into paying more for important documents including health cards, driving licenses and visas, with bogus ads appearing above official channels in search engines. In this video, I will outline the problem and how to make sure that you don't get scammed. Which's research found 18 ads overcharging users for services that are available for free. Brexit and traveller confusion is also being exploited, with 6 results for the Global Health Insurance Card, the GHIC, on Google attempting to charge at least £30 each, even though it is available for free through the NHS. Another advert even proposed breaking the law by offering a license to drive in Spain without a driver's test. When contacted by a researcher posing as a motorist banned from driving in the UK, a respondent said that they had contacts in the Driver and Vehicle Licensing Agency, that's the DVLA, who could wipe the ban and get a new clean driver's licence for £685. There is no evidence that the respondent had any contacts in the DVLA, and the advert eventually disappeared after it was reported to the agency. We know that copycat ads have been a problem for years, so it's concerning to see them still appearing at the top of search engine results, often ahead of the official website and charging unnecessary fees. Until search engines take more responsibility and verify the business before publishing misleading ads, it is up to all of us to keep an eye out for copycat ads. So what should you do? If trying to renew a driver's license, get a health card or apply for a visa, make sure you are using the official website. A separate Which investigation into DVLA copycat ads for driver's license renewals found that almost 3/4, 73% of the most common searches for them return ads for third-party websites. So be sure to check the URL to make sure it is the official site and never click on an advert, which will often appear at the top of the page in a Google search. An advert will have the letters "ad" in bold before the website address. You may be charged between £50 to £100, 7 times the official fee. Google and Bing, 2 of the most popular search engines, responded to the findings by reassuring Which that they have strict policies which they enforce around the types of ads and advertisers they allow on their platforms, and they take action to remove any that breach those policies. But we know that this is an ongoing problem, so be vigilant and double check the web address before renewing your driving license. Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel. I'm Justin King, and my aim is to help people live successful lives, and that often involves understanding your money. If you've enjoyed this video, please press the like button to help more people like you find my channel, and check out the show notes for some useful links on things I've discussed in this video. For now, this is Justin King, helping you live your best life.